solar. So this is the video about solar sizing formula. And when you are sizing your solar, the first item that you need to do is to list all the appliances that will be using solar, the hours they will be utilizing the solar power, and the wattage of each appliances. Then after that you will size your battery. You will size your battery regarding these three factors. One is the day of autonomy, the system voltage of your solar system, and the depth of discharge of your batteries. And after sizing your batteries, you will size your solar PV, solar photovoltaic system, solar panel. The factors to consider when sizing your solar panel: one is dilating factor, the peak hour, and the battery charge equalization. Then after sizing your solar panel, you need to size your charge controller and your inverters.